Next one, an important question for the board examination. Prove that cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1 equals cosec A plus cot A. Using the identity, you are asked to apply the identity cosec square theta minus cot square theta. Both are same. Cosec square A equals 1 plus cot square A. This identity is known for you. So applying this identity, you need to prove this question. This is actually a subpart. Applying this identity, cosec square A equals 1 plus cot square A. A special case question which you need to do a specific simplification for to get the answer of this question. I am going to take the LHS. LHS equals cos A minus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A plus sin A minus 1. For to get cosec A plus cot A, the first step is dividing the numerator and denominator. Both numerator and denominator you need to divide by sin A. How you can identify sin A means 1 by sin A gives cosec A. That is why we need to divide with sin A. I am going to divide the numerator and denominator by sin A, which implies dividing means each term you need to divide. Numerator I am going to divide cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A. In the numerator, each term I divided with sin A, the whole divided by. In the same way, you need to divide the denominator also. Denominator, when dividing by sin A, you get cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. Dividing both the numerator and denominator by sin A, which is equal to cos A by sin A, you can take it as cot A. You know the relation connecting cos A and sin A. Cos A by sin A equal to, you know the relation cos A by sin A equals cot A. In the same way, one more relation known for you, 1 by sin A. 1 by sin A is the reciprocal of sin A, which is cosec A. I am going to apply these two results in this step. Here, cos A by sin A can be replaced with cot A minus sin A by sin A is 1 plus 1 by sin A can be replaced with cosec A, the whole divided by. Again, cos A by sin A is cot A plus sin A by sin A is 1 minus 1 by sin A is cosec A. As per the question, somewhere in between you need to apply the identity cosec square A equals 1 plus cot square A. Here I am going to make a small arrangement equals cot A plus cosec A together in the numerator. Cot A plus cosec A minus 1 as the last term. No change of the value, cot A plus cosec A minus 1. The whole divided by just a rearrangement only. Here also cot A and cosec A together. So cot A minus cosec A together I am going to write cosec A. But in the denominator there remains a plus 1. Just a rearrangement only. Cot A, the last step is cot A plus cosec A minus 1 divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. This is the last step. Here you are asked to apply the identity cosec square A equals 1 plus cot square A. This identity you need to apply as per the question. Here I am going to make an arrangement in the numerator alone. In the numerator I am going to make an arrangement which implies cot A plus cosec A together minus this 1 can be replaced as, that cosec square A minus cot square A. When this cot square A comes to the minus, this identity is known for you. The square relation connecting cosec and cot. So this minus 1, I am going to take it as minus. 1 can be replaced with the cosec square A minus cot square A. I replace this 1 with cosec square A minus cot square A. The whole divided by. Don't alter the 1 in the denominator. Denominator, keep it as if it is cot A minus cosec A plus 1 is the denominator, which equals. Now the numerator here is the form a square minus b square. The first bracket I am going to simplify as going to write as if it is cot A plus cosec A is the first bracket. Don't change it. Minus the second bracket I am going to change as a square minus b square form. A square minus b square is a plus b in one bracket. So cosec A plus cot A in one bracket into a minus b in the other bracket. So cosec A minus cot A in the other bracket, the whole divided by. Don't alter the denominator. The denominator is cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now, looking at the numerator, you can see a common factor. Cot A plus cosec A, cot A plus cosec A. That I am going to take common outside. Now, cot A plus cosec A, I am going to take common outside. Here remains with 1 only, 1 minus. What remains here? Cosec A plus cot A common outside. Now here remains with a, don't forget to put a bracket, cosec A minus cot A there with. The whole divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. No alterations other than taking this cot A plus cosec A common outside. That's the term here. Now here remains with 1 only, minus of cosec A minus cot A. The whole divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Don't forget to write the denominator. I am going to arrange the numerator. Looking at the RHS, what is the RHS? So what you need to get at last, you need to prove the RHS as cosec A plus cot A. This you need to prove. Looking at this, you can see that actually cosec A plus cot A RHS obtained for you. So if you can cancel these two brackets, your answer is over. Okay, we can check whether these two get cancelled or not. Cot A plus cosec A, the first bracket I am going to write as if it is into. I need to cancel these two brackets. Okay, removing the bracket 1 minus cosec A, minus of minus becomes plus cot A, the whole divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. We can check whether these two get cancelled. Yes, plus 1 here with, minus cosec A here with, plus cot A here with. So these two brackets can be cancelled. What remains there equals, the remaining is cot A plus cosec A. This is your RHS, hence proved. Thus, taking the LHS, you got the RHS. That's very important for this chapter. Prove that tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta equals 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. You are given with a hint that write the expression in sin theta and cos theta, means that take the LHS, express tan theta and cot theta in terms of sin theta and cos theta. You are known with the relation in terms of sin theta and cos theta as tan theta equals sin theta by cos theta and cot theta equals cos theta by sin theta, the reciprocal. This you need to apply here. Okay, we can take the LHS. LHS equals tan theta divided by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta. This I need to express in terms of sine and coses. Tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta, the numerator, the whole divided by 1 minus cot theta can be replaced as cos theta by sin theta. This is the first fraction. Sin, tan and cot are replaced. Plus the second fraction cot theta replaced with cos theta by sin theta, the whole divided by 1 minus tan theta need to replace with sin theta by cos theta. This is the first step. The prime step you need to know, then only you can simplify further. Now, which implies sin theta divided by cos theta, the numerator, the whole divided by. In the denominator, I am going to take the LCM sin theta. Sin theta, the LCM. So here comes with sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta. This is your denominator. Plus again cos theta by sin theta, the numerator, by the denominator I am going to take the LCM cos theta upon cos theta minus sin theta. So the second step is taking of LCM alone. Next step is I am going to multiply the fraction with taking the reciprocal of the denominator. The first fraction sin theta by cos theta, keep it as if it is. Division of two fractions, right? The first fraction as if it is into reciprocal of the second sin theta by sin theta minus cos theta. Plus here also write the first fraction as if it is into reciprocal of the second is cos theta by cos theta minus sin theta. Now you can see that the numerator and the denominator after simplification we will get, which implies sin theta into sin theta can be written as sin square theta by denominator can be written as cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Don't alter that. Cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Don't alter the denominator. Plus here the numerator becomes cos theta into cos theta. The numerator is cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta by the denominator I am going to write as if it is sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Now you know that looking at these two brackets, sin theta minus cos theta, here cos theta minus sin theta. If you can take a minus sign outside, this also becomes sin theta minus cos theta. So that is the next step. Sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta by sin theta into outside I am going to take a minus, so that this minus term becomes plus and the plus term becomes minus. You know that when taking a minus sign the terms gets reversed. So now checking inwards, minus sin theta correct plus cos theta. So why I take a minus common outside? Because sin theta minus cos theta we can take common outside. I am going to take common outside, which implies from these two terms I am going to take denominator with the sin theta minus cos theta in the denominator. So need to take the common factor as 1 by sin theta minus cos theta. Why? Because sin theta minus cos theta is in the denominator. So I am going to take these two terms as common factor. Now within the bracket remains sin square theta by cos theta only. Why? Because sin theta minus cos theta common outside. Now plus cos square theta by this sin theta minus the cos theta common outside. Here remains a minus 1. Minus 1 into sin theta is minus sin theta. Understand this step. So Sin theta minus cos theta common outside. There remains a minus 1. Minus 1 to sin theta is minus sin theta. Next step is one more simplification equals 1 by sin theta minus cos theta into sin square theta by cos theta plus and minus becomes minus cos square theta by sin theta. This is the only way for getting the answer. This much steps you need to write, then only you can arrive at the final result. Next step is within the bracket I am going to make a simplification which implies 1 by sin theta minus cos theta common outside itself, but within the bracket I am going to take the LCM cos theta into sin theta, the LCM within the bracket. Cos theta into sin theta, when taking LCM, what comes here? Sin square theta into sin theta, which is sin cube theta, minus cos theta into cos square theta is cos cube theta. This is the LCM sin theta cos theta. 1 by sin theta minus cos theta common outside itself. The last step is sin cube theta minus cos cube theta divided by cos theta into sin theta. This is the last step, which implies 1 by sin theta minus cos theta. The last step I am going to write here. 1 by sin theta minus cos theta into sin cube theta minus cos cube theta by cos theta into sin theta. The numerator is of the form a cube minus b cube. What is the identity a cube minus b cube? A cube minus b cube means a minus b in one bracket into a square plus ab plus b square in the other bracket. In the same way, sin cube theta minus cos cube theta you can replace as sin theta minus cos theta in one bracket into sin square theta. A square means sin square theta. Sin square theta plus AB means sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta plus B square means cos square theta. Apply the identity A minus B the whole cube. Sorry, A cube minus B cube. Here this is your A and this one the B. Apply the identity. So A minus B in one bracket into A square plus A into B plus B square. This you need to apply in the numerator. Okay, we can apply, which implies 1 by sin theta minus cos theta in the denominator into, within the numerator I am going to write the step sin theta minus cos theta in one bracket into application of identity a cube minus b cube, a minus b in one bracket into a square plus ab plus b square, that is the second bracket, sin square theta plus sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta in the other bracket, the whole divided by cos theta sin theta. Now you can see that numerator is sin theta minus cos theta, that you can cancel with the denominator sin theta minus cos theta. What remains there, which implies remaining is a sin square theta plus sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta. This much only in the numerator now, the whole divided by cos theta into sin theta. Remember what your RHS is. Your RHS you need to prove as RHS equals theta cosec theta plus 1. Sec theta into cosec theta plus 1. This you need to prove as RHS. We can simplify further. You know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. This we can arrange in one bracket, which implies sin square theta plus cos square theta in one bracket plus a sin theta cos theta there with sin theta cos theta there with the whole divided by cos theta sin theta. which equals sin square plus theta plus cos square theta. The first bracket sin square theta plus cos square theta. This you can replace as 1. I am going to replace the first bracket with 1. This much is 1 plus the remaining there is sin theta cos theta the whole divided by cos theta sin theta. I am going to make separate division. 1 by cos theta sin theta, the first fraction, plus sin theta cos theta by cos theta sin theta, the second fraction. Why? Because you are known that a plus b divided by c can be written as a by c plus b by c. Separate denominator you can give. So you can give 1 by cos theta sin theta denominator for the first number and sin theta cos theta divided by cos theta sin theta the second one. Now again sin theta cos theta get cancelled. What remains there, which is equal to 1 by cos theta sin theta plus 1 remains. After cancellation 1 remains, which implies this you can write as 1 by cos theta into 1 by sin theta. Any doubt? Look at 1 into 1 is 1. Cos theta into sin theta is cos theta sin theta plus 1. What is 1 by cos theta? 1 by cos theta is called as sec theta. The reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta plus 1 by sin theta. The reciprocal of sin theta, into 1 by sin theta. The reciprocal of sin theta is cosec theta plus 1. So which is your RHS? Sec theta into cosec theta plus 1. That is your RHS.